Hi everyone, Keith here, and behind me is my LEGO haul from the purchases I made from April 1st to the 1st of May. So let's go ahead and open up the boxes and let's take a look at what I got. In the first box is a set that was released on April 1st. So let's go ahead and open it up. Here in the bottom of the box, it's a really smashed in box. Free gift for purchase, Easter Bunnies Carrot House, which is set number 40449. And also in here, which is in a much nicer box, is set number 40335, Rocket Ride. And I already have one of these, so I'll be giving away this in an upcoming giveaway. In the main set, this is LEGO set number 10283, 2,354 pieces, the NASA Space Shuttle Discovery. And I was really excited when this got announced, so I made sure I purchased this on day one of a release. And then the next sets are the purchases that I made during the double VIP points week. And this set is one that I always wanted, but I was waiting for double VIP points to get it. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is LEGO set number 21322, Pirates of Barracuda Bay. And like I said, this is one I always wanted, and I'm going to build it as the pirate ship and display it with my ship in the bottle. And next, and in this box is the largest set of the haul, and it's also another one I always wanted, but I was trying to make the most out of double VIP points, so I went ahead and purchased this. This is set number 71040, 4,080 pieces, Disney Castle. And when I built this, I'll probably include some pictures that I took of the real Disney Castle at Disney World when I went there a couple years ago. And while I was waiting for these to arrive from Lego.com, I went ahead and went to my local Lego store, and I made a couple purchases from there. And the first set I purchased from there was set number 76199, 546 pieces, Carnage Bust. And I also bought, keeping with the Disney theme from earlier, this is set number 43179, 1,739 pieces, the Mickey and Minnie Mouse buildable figures. And I thought these would look really good displayed with my Disney Castle. And that was the end of the purchases for double VIP point week. So after that, I received this set that I pre-ordered about a month earlier. And here we just have another Easter Bunnies Carrot House. And since my other box is crushed, I'll be building that one. So this set I'll probably just be using for one of my giveaways. And this is LEGO set number 75304, 834 pieces, Darth Vader bust. And after receiving this set, my next purchases were from the Star Wars May the 4th double VIP point weekend. So on May 1st, I purchased off of Lego.com first set here was the free gift with purchase, set number 40451, Tatooine Homestead. And this is set number 31200, 3,406 pieces. Lego Art the Sith set. And I also purchased here we have another free gift with purchase Tatooine set, which I'll be using for one of my giveaways. And here we just have another Lego Arts Sith set, and I actually have 3 of these, so I'll be building the large Darth Vader to hang on the wall of my new Lego room that I'm in the process of putting together right now. And then we got Lego set number 76187, 565 pieces, Venom Bust. And the last set of this haul is Lego set number 75305, 471 pieces, Star Wars Scout Trooper helmet. So that's all for the haul. So if you'd like to tell me what you thought about it, you can just leave me a comment down below. And if you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.